Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce our one of the newest products on tables right now. And this is a magnet neck collectors. And you can just two way to use it. First, we have the double surface, the tapes on the behind. You can stick to any place you want. That's first. The secondly, because this one is magnet, so you can just put on any metal surface. Have a strong holdings, and you can just put on the wall or any place you need to. And we come with the two sides of it. The first one, they are almost about like 19 and 3 4 inches in the length. And it's about like a 1 and 3 4 inches wide. Just about like a ½ inch deep. And the second one, it is about like a 23 and 3 4 inches in the length. Same about 1/2 inches in the wide. And dips about like a ½ inches. This will be all information about the products. If you have more questions, contact with us.